Alright, so I spent the entire day working on my roses and I'm tired. I probably should make myself a delicious vegan meal, but I'm not going to. Instead, I'm going to do a product review on some more jackfruit from the Jackfruit company. And this one is barbecue jackfruit, a sweet and smoky blend of tomato and mesquite. But that's not the only thing. I'm also going to show you some sliced cheese. This is from, it's lactose-free Goveggie Cheesy Bliss. I've had these on burgers on top of vegetables, and they're delicious. And this is like my 15th pack. I tell you, this is a winner. It's not that I can't make my own cheese, but sometimes after working in the garden for 3 hours, I just don't have it. So I'll be putting little slides about this in the beginning. Same thing with this one here. We're just going to put it on top of a bagel, and oops, it's upside down. And then I'm going to show you how delicious it is. So easy to prepare, just like the other one that you saw. This is just going to be barbecued. It's not going to be as hot as the chipotle one that I made. Okay, so see you in a little bit.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Okay, so it says on here, real life chopped jackfruit, jackfruit seasoning, that's it. Excellent source of fiber, gluten-free, soy-free, vegan. Always like to mix that. Toss in sandwiches, rice bowl, pizza. Okay, how do you cook? Let's see, stovetop, stove on medium heat for 5 minutes, microwave 1 to 2 minutes, and eat. Fridge, after opening, stick in it. It's good for 5 days. It'll never last that long with me. You can make all kinds of meals with this. You can put it in tacos. You can, wherever you would think where you put something that looks like meat, but it isn't. It's jackfruit. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, you need a scissor. Use your handy dandy scissors. And it's not resealable, so you're going to have to put it in a container. Okay? And then use a bagel. Oh, it'd be nice if you got a plate. Better if it was a microwave safe plate. And then take your bagel. This one doesn't have any eggs in it. Not saying it's the healthiest food to eat, but sometimes a bagel just tastes wonderful. This on top is just onions. Should have used a cutting board. I'm being lazy. Okay, use a spoon. Open up your brand new cheese container. And pull out one slice. I get these at Stater Brothers, in case you guys know where that's at. But most vegan places have them, or they have something similar. Okay, and then peel it back. Stick it there. Now for the hole, see where the hole is? Kind of cut it out. Just kind of a little bit, nothing too hard, just so you see where it's at.
and take that someplace else, that piece there, so you don't lose that when you're cooking it. And take your spoon or your jack with barbecue and just lay it around the edges. It smells delicious. Now they have a lot of sales on these right now because everything is vegan, the big fad, eat healthy. So you'll find them. On this side, I'm not going to put anything. Lay it on top. Just squish it down a little bit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stick it back in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. My microwave is over here. So I put it in for 1.5 minutes. Your fingers. Just off the freezer container. These are really nice. These are bigger than sandwich bags. And then put in your jack cheese container. Now, if you just lay it in there, it's going to go sideways and it's going to spill everywhere. So put in a little clip on it. I guess you could get away with something like that, so it doesn't open up. And these quart-sized bags are big enough so that it'll easily fit inside. Alright, not easily, but they'll fit inside. Okay. Make sure the clip is underneath it. Alright, sometimes the clip's just too big. You gotta change clips. A smaller clip. Put in your fridge. Your jack cheese is going to be very hot. The cheese is already melted. Can you see that? It's melted inside. The jackfruit is melted inside the cheese. Now just close it up. Ooh, very hot. Okay. And then just take your knife and try to cut it. Oh yeah, isn't that wonderful? Okay, maybe you should do that ahead of time. You can take scissors sometimes, because you know there is a hole in the middle, so it makes it a little easier. And I'll share this with Linda tonight. Okay. So there's our side. Okay. A little bit messy, or in this case, imitation meat. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, got attacked by the microwave. All right, so I can't really eat it because it's just too piping hot. I'm going to take a small piece right over here. And the jackfruit has the texture of meat. It doesn't taste like meat. The barbecue sauce that's in it makes it very appealing. So this is going to be my dinner for tonight, and I think that you could make also some very easy, quick dinners using jackfruit with barbecue sauce. Well, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye.